There are a number of different ways that you can find what the holdings are of the different sectors and sub-industries on the Stage Analysis website. So when you're actually in one of the stock pages, so in this case we're in SEMR, if you come down to this area here where you've got the sector and sub-industry and you hover over either of these two, so application software is the sub-industry of SEMR. If you click on that, it pulls a slide out panel which then highlights where the stock is relative to its sub-industry here, so application software. You can also click through into this, which will take you into a page which also has the change features, so you can see which ones are rising, which ones are falling in terms of technical attributes at the moment. So come back into here, same with the sector. If you click on this area here, so click on the information technology sector, it shows where the stock is relative to its sector. So then another way that you can do it is through the sub-industries bell curve. So when you're logged in, the menu bar at the top here, we have the sub-industries button. So when you click on that, you come into this page. So this can be ordered by the different sectors. So you just want to see tech sectors, or you just want to see materials sectors. For example, you can do that. You've got the table below as well, which shows the change features. So you can either click on the interactive graphic itself. So if we look at gold, for example, here, you can see all of the gold stocks ordered by their SATA score and amount of relative strength. And then if we come out here, you can click on silver, you click on any of these. So whatever you click on, it shows you all of the holdings, and you can do that further down the chart as well. So either by clicking on the name down the chart, so you can see, for example, down here, diversified banks is on the rise this week because we've got one of these has moved into the positive zone here, JP Morgan and Chase, for example. So you can see the 1 week, 2 week, 4 week, 13 week change of what's going on those. You can click on any of these and get the holdings for the individual group from here. So as well as the top. And then one other way is in the new Stage Analysis screener, which is still being developed. It's going to have lots and lots more filters at the top here in the coming months to do complex queries. But you can see up here we've got these two sections, the sector and sub-industry. So if you want to look at all of the tech stocks again, so you've got all of the tech stocks ordered by their Mansfield relative strength and SATA scores here, so you can then order those by change and see what's going on in the week. Or you can come in and look at the individual. So you just want to look at semiconductors or semiconductors, materials and equipment. You can do these by Mansfield relative strength, by SATA score, by change. And you can jump in and out of different groups. So you want to look at energy, you can get all energy. You want to order, you just want to go into the coal and consumable fuels. You can have a look at these. So it's really, really simple to find the holdings of the sectors and the sub-industries in multiple different ways on the Stage Analysis website now.